Tesla. Food. Tesla. Food. Tesla. Food. Tesla. Oh, waking up in a cold sweat. Oh my gosh. What day is it? What is going on in this world? Tesla video, food video. Oh man, I don't even know where to begin anymore. Tesla video? Is that what you want? Tesla video? I ain't gonna get what everyone wants. Oh. Things we have to do now with this COVID-19 pandemic, right?
So you're hiding.
We're not hiding. We're just, we can't go to the movies.
Cannot go to the lake.
Cannot go to the bar.
Cannot have a picnic.
It's terrible. Well, you know what's nice with the Tesla?
We can have a picnic on the back seat.
Yes.
With my backseat ball.
While watching YouTube, Netflix. You thirsty?
I'm thirsty now.
Hungry?
I thought it's a surprise for me.
It is, but I'm just asking if you're thirsty or hungry.
Yes.
All right.
So surprise me, baby.
Let's see what we got in our Yeti. All right. So I got some snacks. And since we're like having a picnic, it's nice to have it with
Beer.
aha. The little thing though, it's 0.0% alcohol.
Okay, so here non-alcoholic.
So we got the movie going, we got our drinks, we got our other. I can't cheers because I won't cheers unless it's alcohol. So
do you think it's still okay to be next to the park?
I think it should be fine. I mean,
Police still going. Look, the police car there.
Oh shoot, you're right.
And police car right there.
I have an idea. We have to be fast because he's coming now. Let's go. Okay, I got an idea. Bouge RV to the rescue. Now, I've never put this on. Gotta figure out which is the front, which is the back. So, it's got reflectors. That's really cool. All right, I assume this is the front because of where the air vent is. Oh, and that helps. So let me lay this out. And then we're gonna time how long it takes to put it on. Start. I feel like this is like a race. Maybe I'm gonna do a front to back. The material underneath is actually very soft. 2 people would be good, but let's just say we got only one. All right, you know what? I'm gonna start from this side because the wind is going that way and catching it. Everyone's at home laughing at me. I'm glad you can get a good laugh. That's what I'm here for. Aha, this is the right side, you see? Charge port, but wait, I'm still not done. My car is not PPF'd. How are we doing for time? All right, that covers the front. Wow, that wasn't too long. Let's see. Look at that. Let's see, what's the time? 1:52, so we'll stop it. All right, so again, as I was mentioning, you can see here the reflectors. This is new, this mesh in the front. So it's much wider than the old version. It has the straps here, which is really cool, and make it tighter so you don't have to worry about the wind pulling it. Now it fits on really well, actually. And so reflectors in the back and another strap. It's gonna lock in. The nice buckles, I could tighten up. Let's check out that charge port. So you do have it covered. Open this up right here. Seems like a sturdy. Okay, so you can open that up and then car's locked. So here you go, here's the test. I have the key card here. So the key card won't work in between here. I'll be back. There. I can open the charge port and plug it in. All right, so first things that I'm noticing, it's not covering the full back here. If you look at this, it's still got the piece, and I've gone like front to back. The main important thing for me is the front here to make sure that air vent is open. So even though I said it took less than 2 minutes to put it together. I've been struggling with these straps to get it to really go tighter. So I've made it taut now, so it's good. The straps, I think, could be a little bit better design. Covers, again, I tightened the back. It looks really good. And when you do have it closed, I guess the nice touch is to keep the extra elements from getting in. But I think that zipper is actually pretty good. It's actually pretty sturdy. Opens and closes good, so that's nice. The reflectors, so again, if you are parked on the street or something, I guess, like in here, then a car passing by will be able to see it. For me though, I think it needs to be just a little bit touch bigger in that material. Otherwise it sits pretty good. And it's been pretty windy, so after I put the straps on it, it's been holding pretty good. Doing all this, I think we forgot something. We're trying to hide from the security, right? Well, I'd say it was like 2 minutes just to put it on, but it took roughly around 8 to 10 minutes after I kind of got it settled in there.
And now we have small camping going on here.
Yeah, nice lovely fireplace. Nobody knows we're in here. But don't ask how we actually got into the car with this on as tight as it was. That was a mission.
So now the next mission to get out.
Well, we could call someone, right? All right, so another great product by Bouge RV. If it's a need for you, then I would suggest definitely picking this up. All right, so we saw the unpacking of it, putting it on the car. How do we get it back in the bag? Now the fun stuff to close off this video. So it folds up actually pretty easy here. Or was it just squared up like this? And later on, what I'm gonna test this with is eggs, maple syrup, whole bunch of stuff. Gonna throw it on there, see how that material holds up. Yeah, I messed this up. As long as it gets in the bag, that's all that matters, right? I got it in. That's the most important thing, right? Not too bad, not too bad. Come on. Bouge RV, cover for the Tesla Model 3. Appreciate everybody watching. Stay safe. Hopefully you had some fun doing a lot of cooking channels. And finally, you know what? Margarita and I were able to get out and do a Tesla video for everybody that misses the Tesla stuff. So hope you're liking both the cooking, the Tesla, and that you had some fun with this video as I did and Margarita did. Catch you everybody in the next one. I can't do it right now. Hold on. Now that we've got time alone and no one's around.
It's a cooking in your Tesla channel, not something else.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this Tesla video.